Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Registry Editor in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click System. Double-click to open Prevent access to registry editing tools. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.